Hi students. So in this video we are going to continue the remaining part of the supplementary unit 2 zigzag. So in previous video Maya and Arvind are trying to wake up zigzag, but it is not responding. So up to that we have saw in previous video. So Maya is trying with a water pistol, and finally all the walls and all the wall curtain and the sofa had gotten wet, but zigzag had got not wake up. And Aravind is trying with her imitations of ranging lion, hungry hyena and precious dog. At last he is trying the most loudest noise, that is a frightening kaito call, that is an African wolf. So he is trying this all his imitations, but zigzag slept on undisturbed and stored on. But all the zigzag had not disturbed at all. His zigzag is continuously sleeping, and it is continuously snoring on. In total despair at their failure to wake up zigzag, or at least stop him snoring, they shuttered themselves in the bedroom that was that is was further away from Mrs. Krishnan's audio studio, where zigzag was creating the terrible din. So in total despair, so they are in total despair. Despair means disappointment. So the meaning of despair is disappointment. So in total disappointment, they got very failure, because Aravind and Maya are trying somehow to wake up zigzag, but everything is ending in failure. So what they did means, they all went to the bedroom that is far away from the Mrs. Krishnan's studio. So zigzag, where zigzag is there? It is in the studio of Mrs. Krishnan's. So where she used to paint, no, in that room only zigzag is there. So everybody went out of the studio, and they reached far, that is ரொம்ப தூரம், அந்த ஸ்டுடியோலேருந்து எந்த பெட்ரூம் வந்து ரொம்ப தூரமாக இருக்கோ, they entered into that room with a terrible din. So the meaning of din is noise, with a terrible, where the zigzag was creating a terrible din. So in studio only it was creating a such a noise, that is a snore noise only they are saying. அந்த கொரட்டை சத்தத்தை தான் அவங்க வந்துட்டு அவ்வளோ பெரிய சத்தமாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. So the meaning of din is noise. Mrs. Krishnan was just unraveling a roll of cotton wool to stuff in her ears when they hear their maid Lakshmi shrieking as if she had electrocuted. So after once they have reaching the farthest room of the Mrs. Krishnan's studio, Mrs. Krishnan is unraveling. So unraveling means shuffling. We can able to remember the roll of cotton, அதாவது பஞ்சு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அப்படியே ரெண்டு அப்படியே கிளச்சி போட்டு she is just stuffing in her ears, so that she can't able to hear that snore sound. Okay wow. So already by hearing that snore sound everybody got headache, right? So she is keeping some cotton wool in her ears. So when she is keeping that, when they hear the maid, so her housemaid Lakshmi, so her housemaid name is called Lakshmi, shrieking as if she had electrocuted. So she is making loud noise. Shrieking means loud noise. So she is shouting like anything, like she got electric current on her body. As if her body got shock, she is shouting there. Okay wow. So next, heart hammering, they rushed to the studio to find Lakshmi dancing and clapping her hands excitedly as she yelled, "We have blessed We have truly blessed. It's raining papayas and bananas in the room. So once everybody had heard that loud noise, they all ran to the studio. So with a heart hammering, everybody got very shocked, heavily shocked. Heart hammering means heavily shocked. So suddenly they heard a very loud noise of their maid Lakshmi, right? So everybody they rushed to the studio of Mrs. Krishnan, and they find Lakshmi is dancing and clapping her hands by seeing excitedly. So she is excitedly dancing and clapping her hands, and she is saying that we have blessed and we have been blessed. So she is shouting that we have blessed, because why she is uttering these words means, in that room, and also she is saying that it's raining papaya and bananas in the room. ஸோ அந்த ரூமில் வந்துட்டு பப்பாயாஸும் பனானாஸும் மழையாக கொட்டுது. ஸோ we have God blessed. So she is dancing and clapping, she is clapping her hands, because she don't know that Zigzag had kept all the fruits in the ceiling fan, right? So she don't know, so she thought that it is raining, that is God has blessed with the papayas and bananas. They frozen in horror. Lakshmi had apparently switched on the fan on which Zigzag had left some fruits and nuts. Half-pricked fruits steamed off the fan, damping even Lakshmi's enthusiasm as a Goa landed on her cheek with a soft squish, and one walnut hit her head with a loud smack. So they all frozen in horror, so they can't able to understand what is happening. So because suddenly Lakshmi started to clap and dance, and she is saying that bananas and papayas is raining in the room and they have got blessed. So they are all in shock mode, okay wow. So what now Lakshmi did means, Lakshmi had apparently switched on the fan. So simultaneously what she did, she switched on the fan, because in that fan ceiling, in that blade only, Zigzag kept all the fruits and walnuts. So without knowing that, Lakshmi switched on the fan, on which Zigzag left some fruits and walnut. Half-pricked fruits steamed off the fan, damping even Lakshmi's enthusiasm as a Goa landed on her cheek and a soft squish, and one walnut hit her head with a loud smack. So once she switched on the fan, it started to rotate, right? So all the fruits and walnuts kept by the Zigzag started to flew. So okay, were half pricked. So because by seeing that all the enjoyment, that is Lakshmi is in very much excited mood, because she saw that papayas and bananas are raining in that house. So she was very much excited by seeing that. But once she switched on the fan, she was very much upset, because the Goa, because Zigzag already had started to eat some Govas, right? So that is half pricked Gova, that பாதி சாப்பிட்டது, that was flying in the air, and it just hit the Lakshmi's cheek, and one walnut hit her head with the loud noise, that is smack means noise, with the noise. ஸோ அதை வந்துட்டு ஒன்ஸ் ஃபேனை போட்டோன்னே என்ன பண்ணுது, பாதி சாப்பிட்ட கோவாவும் அந்த வால்நட்ஸ், அந்த பாதி சாப்பிட்ட கோவா வந்துட்டு அவள் சீக்ஸ் லக்ஷ்மியோட சீக்ஸ் மேலேயும் ஒரு வால்நட் வந்துட்டு அவள் தலை மேலேயும் வந்துட்டு நல்ல சவுண்டாகவே வந்துட்டு படுது, நல்லா நாய்ஸ் கேட்குது. அதை ஹிட்டான சவுண்டு, அது மேலே தலையில் பட்ட சவுண்ட் வந்துட்டு நல்லாவே கேட்குது. One slice of overripe papaya, one slice of overripe papaya coming whizzing off the fan, and as they watched it helplessly, it horrors splattered all over Mrs. Krishnan's unfinished masterpiece, Sunset at Marina. So now Lakshmi's in Lakshmi's chicken head, Goa and walnut has hitted, but the one slice of over rip means ரொம்ப பழுத்து போனது over rip papaya come whistling of, that is coming in flowing, coming in a hitting manner of the fan, and they watched helplessly. So everybody had saw that it is coming directly, it is coming to hit directly the painting of Mrs. Krishnan. So everybody are in helpless, so what, they don't know what to do with that. It horror splattered all over Mrs. Krishnan's unfinished masterpiece, Sunset at Marina. So it came and splattered. Splattered means hitted hardly. அதாவது வந்தோடனே அப்படியே பச்சக்குன்னு வந்துட்டு என்ன ஆச்சு, it hitted all over Mrs. Krishnan's. So she already she is painting the sunset at Marina, right? So it all hitted the painting, that is unfinished, yet she didn't finish the painting, so it had hitted the painting, spreading streaks of gluey orange pulp and shining black seeds all over it. So it splattered and it started to spread the streaks. Streaks means line அப்படியே வந்துட்டு கோடு கூட வந்துட்டு it started to make some lines with the orange pulp, because it will be in orangey color, right, papaya, and it is too ripe, ஓகேவா, ஓவர் ரைப், தட் இஸ் இட் இஸ் மச் ஃப்ரூட், அதாவது கனிஞ்சு போட பழம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, இட் ஒன்ஸ் இட் இஸ் ஹிட்டட் இன் த painting, it started to give us stakes of orange pulp, and that black seeds, in papaya we have a black seeds, right, it all spreaded all over, எல்லா அந்த பெயிண்டிங்ஸில் ஃபுல்லாக வந்துட்டு ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆயிடுச்சு. Mrs. Krishnan Gorante tragically and looked ready to shoot zigzag, but he was saved by the bell. So after seeing that, after seeing her painting, she got very much tense, so she groaned tragically in a deep sad sound. ரொம்ப சோகமாயிட்டாங்க, ரொம்ப வந்துட்டு சோகமாயிட்டாங்க, பிகாஸ் ஷீ இஸ் கெட்டிங் ரெடி that painting for her next week exhibition. So she is very much disappointed and very much angry, and she decided to shoot the zigzag, but zigzag, he refers to zigzag. So but he was saved by the bell. So he Mrs. Krishnan was ready to shoot the zigzag, but it was saved by the bell. What bell means? The telephone bell. So the telephone bell was ringing, so she stopped the shooting. They answered one call after another as all the neighbors rang up to demand what the awful signal sound was and if they could please have some peace. So what was a phone call means? So all the neighborhoods near their house are calling them and asking them to have a and everybody are asking about the unpleasant sound of the noise coming out from their house. So awful means unpleasant, so awful means unpleasant, so unpleasant signal, the signal sound was, and if they could please have some peace, so try to do something, we need some peace. So that is snore noise is coming even out of their house also, so that the neighbors nearby Mrs. Krishnan's house are very much all the neighborhoods pleased to do something with their zigzag to stop the snoring sound. And though all this commotion, zigzag slept slept on unconcerned and snowed on. But here such a confusion is going on. So commotion means confusion. Already in the first video itself I told you. So all through by these commo all the so all the confusion all is making by the zigzag, but the zigzag is sleeping without any concern, without any it didn't bother about anybody, and it kept on sleeping in the curtain rods and kept on snoring on. Finally, an exhausted Mrs. Krishnan ringing up her husband. I'm going crazy with the sound of zigzag snoring plus all these angry telephone calls and my beautiful painting. Her voice Here her voice cracked. So finally, after all the confusion, she got very much tired. Exhausted means tired. So all the phone calls and the confusions making by the zigzag and all made her very much tired. And finally, she called her husband through her telephone. She ranging up her husband means calling through phone call. And she is saying to her husband that I'm going crazy. So I'm going very much irritated with the sound of zigzag snoring and all the angry telephones. And also she is explaining her husband about the neighborhood calls, about the loud noise making by the zigzag. And also she is saying that my beautiful painting. While she is saying about her painting, her voice started to crack. That is, she can't able to digest that, because she is getting ready the painting for her exhibition, right? So she was very much upset by seeing that painting. You know, Mrs. Jinjuwala, the artist, uh, the art critic who lives upstairs, well, she heard zigzag snoring and had the chick to the telephone and asked me whether I could sing a little softly when I took my singing lessons. Please contact Somu and find out what we should do. So, and also she is saying that Mrs. Jinjuwala, so they are the neighborhood house only, that is, they are living in the upstairs of மிஸ்ஸஸ் கிருஷ்ணன்ஸ் ஹவுஸ், ஓகேவா, எங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு மேலே இருக்காங்க. ஸோ திஸ் லேடி மிஸ்ஸஸ் ஜிஞ்சுவாலா கால்ட் மிஸ்ஸஸ் கிருஷ்ணன் அண்ட் த்ரூ telephone, and she is saying that she is asking Mrs. Krishnan to sing softly, because she is thinking that is Mrs. Jinjuwala is thinking that Mrs. Krishnan is taking some singing classes, so that she is singing in her house, and that is the sound that is they are hearing out of their house. So she is Mrs. Jinjuwala is asking Mrs. Krishnan to sing softly, okay va. So she said even she said all these to her husband, and she asked Mrs. Krishnan is asking, please contact Som and find out what to do. So she is asking Dr. Ashok to contact Somu, her friend, that is Dr. Ashok's friend, and what to do with that. Dr. Krishnan came home as fast as he could after he had left an email message for Somu asking him for clear instructions on how to stop zigzag from snoring. So Dr. Krishnan also came as soon as possible from the clinic to the house after emailing to the Somu. Okay, he sent an email to the Somu that what is the instruction to keep zigzag stop from snoring. அதை வந்துட்டு அந்த கொரட்டை விடுறதை எப்படி நிறுத்தணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு he sent a message to Somu only. He came to the house as soon as possible. Don't worry, he assured his downcast family. Somu will reply soon. We will recover. There's some ridiculous simple way to stop Zigzag from snoring. So once Dr. Krishnan came to house, she's consoling her downcast family. Downcast family means that is they are in very much upset mood. Okay, ரொம்ப அப்செட்டில் இருக்காங்க பிகாஸ் தட் மச் கன்ஃபியூஷன்ஸ் zigzag had made, so they are everybody are in upset mood. So Dr. Ashok is consoling their family, and he is saying that Somu will reply soon, and that the answer will be in a simple way the only. We can easily stop the snoring sound, you don't worry. So he Dr. Krishnan is consoling all their family. 6 days passed, 6 frantic days of checking their emails day and night, 6 torturous days of having the definitely loud signal resound in their house, most nerve rackingly. So 6 days has passed. So 6 days they didn't get any messages, because 6 frantic days means sad days, ரொம்ப கொடுமையான நாட்கள். Because they didn't 6 frantic days, there's all these 6 sad days, they are checking the mails day and night, but there is no any mail from Somu. So all the 6 torture days, this totally this 6 torture days what made means they started to have some nervous disorder also. Okay va, nervous stress, not a disorder, nervous stress, அதாவது நரம்புகளே பாதிக்கிற அளவுக்கு the signorous sound is too much loud in their house. So and there is no any messages from Somu. Maya complained that she had a permanent rumbling sound in her ears even when she was miles away from her home. So now Maya started to complain about the zigzag snoring sound. So when she is far away from her house also, she can able to hear somebody the same sound in her ears. அதாவது இவன் வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப தூரம் வீட்டை விட்டு ரொம்ப தூரம் இருந்தாலுமே அந்த ஸ்னோரிங் சவுண்ட் வந்து எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் அவள் காதில் வந்துட்டு ஒழிச்சிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. ஷீ இஸ் கம்ப்ளைனிங் அபவுட் தட். And also she is saying that that her ears ached all time. So all time எப்பயுமே வந்துட்டு அந்த ஸ்னோரிங் சவுண்ட் கேட்டுகிட்டே இருக்கிறதுனால she is saying that here she is her ears are paining. ஓகேவா, ஆல் டைம் எவ்ரி டைம் அப்படியே ஃபுல்லாகவே வந்துட்டு வலிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. Aravind confessed that for the first time in his life, he was actually looking forward to going to school, considering it was as calm as a monastery compared to their house. So even Aravind also confessed, means said, he also said that even going to school is a common thing, that is calm thing. ஓகேவா, ஸ்கூலுக்கு கூட போயிடலாம், பட் we can't able to stay in this house, in this monastery house. So monastery means where the monks will live, அதாவது எங்கே வந்துட்டு பேய்ங்களாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அங்கெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு அங்கெல்லாம் இருக்க முடியாது. we can go to the school itself, that is a better place. So we can have a calm there, we can have a peacefulness in the school itself, we can't able to come here, come to the home. So he is also saying that we can't able to hear stay here, because school is a because considering to home, school is having a better peaceful place. Mrs. Krishnan had lost interest in painting. Zigzag would sometimes wake up briefly when he wanted to eat some fruits. So now Mrs. Abod Krishnan, already Mrs. Krishnan's painting had lost, right? So she also got lost interest in painting in these 6 days. Okay, Zigzag also used to wake up sometimes briefly means in short, அதாவது கொஞ்ச நேரம் மட்டும் வந்துட்டு எந்திரிக்கும். When he want to eat some fruit, அதாவது when he want to eat something only, zigzag used to get up. And sometimes he would sit on the veranda looking sulkily and bored as he started to had as he stand at the sunset of Marina Beach, the real view, not the painting lying forlorn in one corner, remained by the streaks of the hardening papaya. So, Zigzag used to wake up only in I used to wake up only little time, in a short time only it used to wake up. That too means to eat some fruits only, that is to have some food only it used to wake up. And also it used to sit on veranda and looking sunkly and bored. Sunkly means without happiness, without any happiness it used to sit and view the sunset Marina Beach. Okay வா, that is a real view, not a painting. அதாவது எங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி மெரினா பீச் இருக்கும். இட் யூஸ் டு சிட் அண்ட் ஸ்டேர் த, எந்த ஒரு ஹாப்பினஸ்மே எதுவுமே இல்லாமல் in a boring manner it used to sit and view the Marina Beach. And here they are saying the Marina Beach is a real view, because why they have mentioned means the Mrs. Krishnan has been painting the sunset of Marina Beach only in her painting. So that painting is lying on the forlorn in one corner, running by the cheeks of the hardening papaya. So the அந்த மீனிங் ஆஃப் ஃபோர்லோனஸ் லோன்லி, தனியாக வந்துட்டு ஒரு ஓரமாக மூலையில் வந்துட்டு கிடக்குது. என்னது? தட் ரினைன் மீன்ஸ் டெஸ்ட்ராய்டு பை த ஸ்டீக்ஸ் ஆஃப் த ஹார்ட்னிங் பப்பாயா. அந்த அழிஞ்சு போன அந்த கோடு கூட விழுந்த பப்பாயா கோடு கூட விழுந்த வரிகளோட அப்படியே வந்துட்டு ஒரு ஓரமாக கிடக்குது. Zigzag never spoke to anyone, though everyone tried several times and in several languages to speak him kindly. He only slept and snored. So by the 6 days also, family members tried to speak to the Zigzag, but Zigzag never spoke. So everyone tried several times in several languages, but there is no any improvement to speak. It only slept and it only snored on. So it didn't speak itself. On the 7th day, Dr. Krishnan On the 7th day, Dr. Somu's email arrived. So 6 days they have got very much tortured by the Zigzag. So on the 7th day only, Dr. Somu's email has arrived. It was Dr. Krishnan's prediction. So okay, so once some mail came itself, Dr. Krishnan guessed. Prediction means guessed. Guess it must be a Somu only. And Dr. Krishna also said, predicted, that is guess, that is the simplest way to stop the snoring only. It will be only a simple way to stop the snoring. So he opened the mail and he started to read. I never heard Zigzag snore. So Somu is saying that she had never heard a Zigzag snore. In fact, Zigzag hardly ever sleeps. So he is saying that it will never sleep. இது வந்துட்டு நான் வந்துட்டு அது கொரட்டு விட்டு நான் வந்துட்டு பார்த்ததே இல்லை. இன்ஃபேக்ட் நான் சொல்கிறேன், அது தூங்கவே தூங்காது. முக்கால்வாசி வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணுது, தூங்கவே தூங்காது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he entered the email, love Somu. And also he pointed out some thing. If you are finding difficult, ask my cook Visu to keep Zigzag. So at last he said that if you are finding difficult to keep the Zigzag in your home, you ask my cook Visu to have the Zigzag. That does it. So by reading this message, Mrs. Krishnan is saying that does it, said Mrs. Krishnan. Fine, Visu, I will keep on I will not keep Zigzag here another minute. So by seeing this message, Mrs. Krishnan is strictly saying to her husband, so find out Visu and hand over the zigzag to him. So another a minute, ஒரு நிமிஷம் கூட I can't able to keep a zigzag in the home. Calm down dear, I'm living for my clinic now, can't you wait till. So Dr. Krishnan is saying that calm down, be quiet, so I'm just living for a clinic, can't you wait until I come. So நான் வர வரைக்கும் நல்லா பொறுத்துக்க முடியாதா, and he is asking to her, Mrs. Krishnan. So on that for that, Mrs. Krishnan is replying, no, it's now. Mrs. Krishnan was adamant. So she is saying that no, I can't able to keep the zigzag for a minute also. She is very much ardent. I have invited some friends and or experts. ஸோ இங்கே வந்துட்டு ஆர் எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ்ன்னு அப்படியே வராது. ஐ ஹவ் இன்வைட்டட் சம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹூ ஆர் மை எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ்ன்னு தான் வரும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இங்கே வந்துட்டு ஹூ ஆர் மை எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ்ன்னு தான் வரணும். Who are my experts to come home and choose my paintings for the exhibition. This further snoring monster will drive us all mad. So she said that no, I can't able to keep another minute also because so she is very much adamant that she can't able to keep the zigzag for a minute also. And also she is saying that she has invited some friends and they expect of painting, and they are coming to their house for selecting the painting for the exhibition, because she has started to paint the painting but it got destroyed, right? So some of her friends and experts are coming to select other paintings of Mrs. Krishnan's. So she is saying that this feathered this bird snoring sound will make all us mad. இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே வந்துட்டு பைத்தியம் பிடிக்க வச்சிடும் இந்த ஸ்னோரிங் சவுண்ட் கேட்டா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு up to this we can stop your video here. Remaining part of the supplementary we can continue in next video. Thank you.